myself right now. Getting everything off the truck. Alright, I don't know what was going on, but I had a helmet cam on, but it was working. But then, as soon as I got to the gate, I was picking my gate, and I went to go check it, and it like all of a sudden stopped. So this first moto, I don't have any helmet cam for you guys, but hopefully we got some footage on the big camera. But let me tell you guys how it went down. So I was second off the gate. I could have had a whole shot, to be honest with you guys. But there was a KX 500 like on the left side of me, and he beat me to it. But I was second off into the first corner. I dropped back down to third. I was in third, about to finish, and then I fell in the corner, and that dropped me back down to like fifth. It's not a bad first race. I mean, we got a lot more racing to do today, so we'll just have to work on and choose different setups when we go back out there. So.
That was awesome. I thought I was gonna have to come down and get my nephew though.
I didn't fall that hard.
Well,
He literally like
just tipped over.
and tipped over.
he did a good job. I love to see him do those wheelies over those hills, but baby, just gotta be safe. Huh?
You be talking about something. Yeah, I mean they done willies in the street.
No, I'm talking about up over the hills. Stop, boy.
I think 5 more motos in between, no, 4 or 5 in between until I go back out there. So hopefully I'll get another GoPro working for you guys. Right now we're racing schoolboy. 85 to 50. So. Bro, I don't even know what that was, man. Crashed right off the start, bro. I tried to fight back and come back, but it just wasn't happening. I got dirt all in my mouth. Got a bad start, popped a wheelie right off the gate. Kind of veered me to the right, and I got tangled up with the dude next to me. I feel this rear tire just, kicked me at the butt. and crashing all 3. So yeah, we got some things to work on, man. And hey, look, this ain't the end. We gonna keep working. Hopefully you guys are here for the ride, man. Hey, we gonna take this as far as we can, and we gonna make it happen, and we gonna do just that. I'm gonna put in the work to make it happen, and you guys gotta be there to help me, man. I loved meeting each and every one of you guys that was out there today. Had an awesome time getting to know each and every one of you that introduced yourselves to me. Big shout out to you guys. You guys made the day 10 times better, baby. I do not know if I have GoPro footage for you guys today in this video. Sorry. We had some technical difficulties, which was driving me completely insane. It hurts me just as much as it hurts you not seeing any GoPro footage. But hopefully we got some solid footage on the big cam. If you guys are new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Darius Anderson, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time for the next video. Stay tuned. Peace out, baby.
I'll see y'all later.
Yeah. 2 white gold, keep the lace gold chain, keep the beast inside and the hoes insane. Like a Mary jeans in a Lambo truck with 2 powder bags and a ball made frames. 5 in the game plus 1 that's 6, cause you know YV gotta get that.